how to make merch in Roblox in 2024. So this is very easy. Right here, we want to open up Roblox, click on create. This is going to load up this creator hub. We want to go into creations. Now, right here, we will go into avatar items and just click on classics. Here, you will see classic t-shirts, shirts, pants. We can upload an asset. These are the formats that we need to follow. So click on upload asset. The name is going to be cry in my case. It's going to be a t-shirt right here. And we'll need to click on upload. Click on this upload button. Here we can actually choose the design. So we'll create merch with this design. I'll open this up. It's going to look like this. And if I click on upload, then it's going to begin uploading this to my other list of merch that I've created. And basically it's going to look like this. And if we click on it, we can put the merch for sale. So this is another one that I have. If we put it for sale here, we can make it for 20 Robux. And if we click on publish, this is going to add it to the Roblox, marketplace. That's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.